Hi, in this video we'll see how we can count occurrences of an element in the list. So we'll see three methods of doing it. So before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss out on our videos. Now let's see the first method, which is a very simple approach. Like we keep a counter that keeps on increasing if required element is found in the list. So just let's code for it. So we'll define a function named count x or count the variable x. Now we'll pass in the function or the arguments as list and the number which we want to check if it's present or not. Then we'll initialize a counter to 0. Then for ELE and list, for the element in list, if ELE if ELE equals x, if ELE equals x, then increment the counter. So then increment the counter by 1. Yeah. So after all this, we'll return the count. We'll return count. So this function of ours will return the count of the variable x. Then just have a list with us. Let's say 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 10, 8. Then let's have again 1. Then let's have 2, 3, or let's have 2 again. Let's have 5. Let's have 1, 1. Yeah. So we'll say if we want to check the occurrences of let's say if you want to check occurrence of 1, then we'll pass in this into our function calling method. So here we will use dot format. Like, see, we have to use a curly braces, then has occurred, then again curly braces, means the element has occurred, dash times, so dash times, and we use dot format. Then we given the x, which is here 1, then comma we give, or we pass in, have call the function count x and pass in x comma list, sorry, list comma x, list comma x. So 1 has occurred 4 times, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yes. Now the second method which we'll talk about is, which is using count function. So this is a direct count function by which we can count the elements present in the list. So let's have this function again, def count x, then arguments as list and x. Then we'll just return, what we'll return is list, then dot count function, and then the x. Yeah, then that's all from this function. And if we use this again, copy, and then we just paste it, we have the same list, then x, then it will have the occurrences of x. So it has printed 1 has occurred 4 times, or else if you want to check for 2, so 2 has occurred 3 times, likewise. Now we'll have a third method of finding the counter. So our third method is using counter. So this counter is a function. So what this counter function does is it returns a dictionary with occurrences of elements as a key value pair. Means if 1 has occurred 3 times, then a key value pair of 1 is to 3 is created. And if we pass in the x as 1, then the occurrence, which is 3, is printed out. So let's have the function or the program for it. So we have to import the counter from collections library. So from collections, import counter, C is capital, so counter. Now then let's declare the list. So we can use the same list above. Copy this list over here. Then let's just give x equals, so if you want suppose 10, let's have 10 one more, so 10. Yeah, now we have two tens. Now D equals, now D is like a dictionary. We will have a dictionary, D. So DLIST list. So we have a list will that will be converted to a dictionary, having the counter or the counter of each and every element present, or the times which it had occur in the list. So print. So we'll use the same function here. Dot format. So let's copy it. Now we have this. Now let's do one thing. We also want one more. Now we have this. We don't want this because we don't have not have created any function. Now let's dot format and then d of x. So d of x, and we want one more. So 10 has occurred two times. So what this does is, so x is 10, then we have 10 has occurred, then d of 10. So the d of 10 means it will be, the occurrence of it will be printed as see here. It will be printed, or it will be, the d will have like this: 10 is to 2. This is 10 is the key and 2 is the value. So when we do t10, then we'll get 2, the value of 10 in the dictionary. So yeah, that is all. So that's all from this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any doubts, put down in the comment section below and we'll get back to your doubts. Thank you.